Okay, so I've now applied masking tape all the way around the body. And as I said, it's ideal if you can get that thinner gauge masking tape, painter's masking tape, but in this case, I wasn't able to source it. So I'm using the 24mm stuff, and what I'm doing is just very carefully with a very sharp knife, just go around the edges here like so, and just removing the excess. Now, you've got to be very careful here. You don't want to catch any of that binding with the blade and cut into it. So just take your time. It's really important you take your time with the masking as well, and then removing this excess like so. This is really important as far as getting a really crisp lines on your guitar. So as you can see, just removing that there, and we're left with a nice straight line. Now again, I'll just remind you again, really press that down, really try and seal that. We don't want any paint getting underneath it. Now invariably some will at times. I'll show you how to address that as we get to that point as well. But from now, I'll continue removing this excess, and then we'll come back to priming the guitar.